students, now the exercise 4.1 of chapter 4. In the last video I explained you the introduction, which is very important to solve this exercise of chapter 4. So you have to first see the introduction part and write down the important points from that introduction part also, okay? Then start the exercise. Now this is the exercise 4.1, question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay, a cost of a notebook is twice means 2 times. A cost of a notebook is 2 times the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in 2 variables to represent this statement. Okay, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Okay, means I explained you that cost of notebook is 2 times of that of cost of a pen, and we have to represent it in the linear equation. This is a statement. Okay, this is the statement, and we have to represent this statement in linear equation in 2 variables. Okay, it is given a hint here that take the cost of a notebook to be rupees x and that of a pen to be rupees y. Okay, we have to take the cost of notebook be rupees x and then the cost of pen is rupees y. You can take any other 2 variables like p and q, x z, y z, a b c d, any 2. Okay, so I will take here the same variable which has given here, means which has given in the hint that take the cost of notebook in the rupees x and that of a pen to be rupees y. Okay, let's see the solution of question number 1. Okay, so first we have to let 2 variables, and we are going to let 2 variables x and y because it is given in the hint. So let the cost of notebook be rupees x. Okay, let the cost of notebook be rupees x and that of the pen, and the cost of the pen is rupees y. Okay, now according to question it is given that the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Okay, what is the cost of notebook? The cost of notebook is x. The cost of notebook is twice means 2 times, means we have to multiply 2 to the cost of pen, and the cost of pen is y. So 2 into y. Twice means 2 times. 2 times means we have to multiply 2 to the number, means here with the variable that cost of the pen. So 2 into y. So x equal 2 into y, 2y. Okay, so this is the linear equation in 2 variable, or we can arrange it in the general form. The general form is x. When we transfer plus 2y to the left hand side, it becomes minus 2y, and what will remain? 0. So this is the general form of the linear equation in 2 variable, where c is equals to 0 and a, b both are the real numbers, and a is 1 and b is minus 2. So this is the required equation. Okay, so thus required equation is x minus 2y equals 0. That's it.